Substitution method. This method involves writing one of the unknowns in terms of the other in the first equation and substituting it into the second equation so that the second equation is a linear equation in one unknown. Example: solve the simultaneous linear equations above by substitution method. Substitution method. So the method here is substitution. And we are to solve the equations x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 5, which are exactly the same equations we have solved above using elimination method. So the steps to solving simultaneous linear equations by substitution method: number 1, rewrite equation 1 such that x is in terms of y or y in terms of x. So we shall look at both alternatives. When we rewrite equation 1, we have the equation 1 is y plus 2x is equal to 4. So in this one, we can write y in terms of x so that y remains on one side of the equal sign, and that makes it y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So here we say we have written y in terms of x. Alternatively, we can write x in terms of y from equation 1 so that 2x is equal to 4 minus y. X will be equal to 4 minus y divided by 2. So we say we have written x in terms of y. Second step, we substitute the expression of x in terms of y or y in terms of x into the second equation. So when we use the first equation, we substitute it into the second equation, and the second equation is 2y plus x is equal to 5. So we substitute for the value of y in one above into the second equation. Where there is y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So plus x is equal to 5. So here we have substituted the y value in one above into the second equation. In the case where we use x, we substitute for the value of x into the second equation, and this it becomes 2y plus x is equal to 5. But x from equation 2 above becomes 2y plus 4 minus y over 2 is equal to 5. In both cases, the resulting equations are equations in one unknown, x and x. So we only have one unknown in both instances. Then we go to step 3. We solve the resulting linear equations in one unknown to obtain the value of the first unknown. So if we take the equation involving x, when we open the bracket, it becomes 8 minus 4x plus x is equal to 5. We collect the like terms. Negative 3x will be equal to negative 5 will be equal to positive 5 minus 8, which is negative 3. So x is equal to 1. For the y equation, we have 2y plus 4 minus y over 2 is equal to 5. The LCM is 2. 4y plus 4 minus y is equal to 5. For y minus y plus 4 is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 2. So regardless of which one we have started by solving, if we obtain a linear equation in x only, we get the x value to be equal to 1. If we obtain a linear equation in y only, we obtain the value of y is equal to 2. Then we substitute the value we have obtained, the value of the unknown we have obtained, into any of our original equations to get the value of the second unknown. In the case of the first example, we already have the value of x is equal to 1. So we substitute it into y plus 2. Where there is x, we substitute 1 is equal to 4. And the substitution is done in this equation. The original equation I've marked with 2 ticks. And that makes us to be able to get the value of y. So y will be equal to 2. In the second instance, where we first obtained the value of x, the value of y, we substitute it into the same equation marked with the pink ticks. So we'll have 2 plus 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 2, and therefore x is equal to 1. So we have shown in the 2 examples that we can either calculate the value of x first and then use its value to get the value of y, or we can calculate the value of y first and use its value to calculate the value of x. Let's look at other examples. Further examples on elimination and substitution methods. Substitution method. Use 1. Elimination method. 2. Substitution method to solve x minus 2y is equal to 4, 2x plus y is equal to 3. So using elimination methods, we can eliminate x by multiplying equation 1 by 2 to make the coefficients of x equal. So when we do that, that makes the equation to become 2x minus 4y is equal to 8, 2x plus y is equal to 3. We subtract the two equations. 2x minus 2x is 0, minus 4y minus positive y is minus 5y, and 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So we have minus 5y is equal to 5, y is equal to negative 1. We substitute for the value of y into the second equation, into the first equation, so that we have x minus, where there is y, we put negative 1 is equal to 4. So x plus two is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So that is elimination method. Using substitution method, from equation, we have equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 3. From equation 1, we can write x in terms of y so that it becomes x is equal to 4 plus 2y. Substituting into the second equation, we have 2 into 4 plus 2y plus y is equal to 3. Opening up the brackets, 8 plus 4y plus y is equal to 3. Collecting the like terms, 5y is equal to 3 minus 8, which is equal to negative 5. Therefore, y is negative 1. Substituting for the value of y we have calculated into the original equation marked by a tick, we get x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 4, x plus 2 is equal to 4, and therefore x is equal to 2. So in both instances, whether we use elimination method or substitution method, we get, in each case, the value of y is equal to negative 1. In elimination method, the same to substitution method, and the value of x is equal to 2 in elimination method, and the same is equal to 2 in substitution method.